Recently, exciting leaks revealed DJI's potential entry into the 360 degrees camera market with the rumored Osmo 360, which has stirred up a lot of anticipation, though it might be tough news for GoPro. In response, rumors suggest that GoPro may soon unveil its own new 360 degrees camera, the GoPro Max 2. Now, everyone is eager to see which brand will take the lead in this competitive space. Known leaker Quadro News shared images on the platform X, revealing what could be a fresh, redesigned version of GoPro's 360-degree camera. The new Max 2 is rumored to have a modular design and advanced cooling solutions, both of which could be significant improvements from the original GoPro Max. Let's break down what this means and why it's exciting for action camera fans. Leaked images of the rumored GoPro Max 2 have sparked excitement, hinting at a fresh redesign that could make this 360 degrees camera a strong competitor in the market. The most noticeable change is the shape of the Max 2's lens. Unlike the square or rectangular lenses typical of GoPro cameras, the Max 2 features a rounded lens housing, similar to the original GoPro Max. By keeping this familiar shape, GoPro seems to be building on what worked well in the past, while likely adding new features for improved performance. This rounded design might also help capture a wider field of view, essential for 360 degrees filming. Another standout feature from the leaked images is the Max 2's new ribbed body design. This isn't just an aesthetic choice. The ribbed surface likely functions as a cooling mechanism, potentially addressing one of the biggest complaints about the original GoPro Max: overheating. The original model often struggled with heat during long recording sessions or in hot weather, which affected performance and could lead to unexpected shutdowns. By including a ribbed design, which likely acts as a heatsink, the Max 2 could manage heat more efficiently, making it more reliable for extended filming sessions. Keeping the camera cool isn't just about user comfort, it's about enhancing overall reliability. With this new design, GoPro might be addressing a key flaw of the original Max, making the Max 2 a better option for users who film long videos, whether they're capturing action sports, travel, or vlogging content. The leaked image also reveals a small display just below the lens. This screen is similar to the one found on the original GoPro Max, where users could see what they were recording, adjust settings, and review footage on the go. Although details about the new display's capabilities are still unknown, GoPro might be keeping and possibly upgrading this feature to improve user experience, allowing for easier navigation of settings and shot previews. The original GoPro Max, released in 2019, was praised for its 6K 360 degrees video capabilities, creating immersive, high-quality footage. However, it also faced criticism for issues with overheating and poor performance in low-light conditions. Since then, competition in the 360 degrees camera market has intensified. For instance, the Insta360 X4 now offers 8K video resolution at 60 frames per second, setting a new standard. To remain competitive, the Max 2nd of May need to offer comparable, if not better, video quality, while also addressing issues like heat management and low-light performance. An exciting rumor about the Max 2 suggests a modular design, allowing users to swap out parts or add accessories for various needs. While the specifics of how this modularity might work aren't yet clear, it could make the Max 2 more versatile. For example, users could potentially attach a larger lens for better low-light performance, or add other accessories for improved sound quality or durability. As for release dates, rumors point to a possible release date in late 2024 or early 2025, but fans and potential buyers will have to wait for an official announcement.